Happy
Hi.
Gluten-Free Friday.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday.
It's Friday. We're back with another delicious recipe.
So yum.
What are we making?
We are making bagels.
Yay! 3 ingredient, well, plus more to make it a little bit better, but 3 main basic ingredients for the bagels themselves.
So easy.
So easy, and we're gonna show you guys how to do it.
Yes.
So let's jump into it. First, we're going to add I'm gonna start with my dry ingredients. 1 cup of gluten-free flour, and then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Sorry, baking powder, not baking soda. Baking powder.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna add just a little pinch of salt. Okay, just add a little pinch of salt to our mix. You think that's enough?
Yes.
Just a little more.
A touch.
Just a little bit. And we're gonna whisk those together to combine. Then we're gonna add in 1 cup of Greek yogurt to make it like a high protein gluten-free bagel. You can use any Greek yogurt that you'd like. We're using the 0% milk fat, but you can use any one that you like. Do you want to add in the Greek yogurt?
I would love to.
Okay. Sweet.
Should I use this?
Yes. Go for it.
Lovely.
Okay. This is cooking in the kitchen. Beautiful. Yay!
Are we mixing with this?
Yeah, go for it. Okay, so what is everyone's favorite bagel? You go first.
Sesame, 1000%.
100%. Mine too. We are going to be making 2 different kinds. We're going to do an everything and a sesame. And it makes 4 bagels per
Here, you.
Oh, thank you. It's okay. Makes 4 bagels for this recipe. So it's good to kind of meal prep for the week, or you can share like we're doing today. Okay. While we're doing this, I do want to mention we have a fan favorite, and by fan favorite I mean it's my favorite recipe on our blog, glutenfreemore.com. By the way, a 5 ingredient flatbread. I use that flatbread for so many things. It's very simple, and it's a great staple if you're just starting out gluten-free, or if you have gluten-free guests coming over and you want to make something super simple. Very, very basic ingredients. So it's very similar to this recipe with yogurt, gluten-free flour, a little salt, and a couple added things in there.
Delicious.
But yeah, you guys should definitely check that one out on our blog if you want a simple flatbread. All right, so we're kind of getting there. We're gonna form this into 1 giant ball.
Amazing.
And then from there, we'll separate it into 4 and then shape our bagels. You might need to add some extra gluten-free flour just for dusting on a surface. I have like a little cutting board in front of me. But yeah, if yours is a little sticky, mine I actually think ours is pretty good.
Looks good.
Okay, all right. We have now our giant dough ball. We're going to separate it into 4, just using this little pastry cutter. Look at that, so beautiful and even.
Yes.
Maybe not even. I spoke too soon. But yeah, we're going to just shape them into smaller balls and then form them into a bagel shape. And again, if yours is a little sticky, we can add a little bit of flour.
Awesome.
Okay, so we use the Carol's gluten-free flour. That one's my personal favorite. It's a great like 1-for-1 swap. And just look at that. It's shaping so well.
Yes.
It's so sturdy. So that's kind of like the thickness of my bagel. I think it looks pretty good.
Mine's getting there.
So we're gonna get these together. Okay,
They
I think
do
the
look a little
consensus-
like powdered donuts right now.
They
though.
kind of do. We can like. It does feel like Play-Doh. Play-Doh's not gluten-free, by the way. So I don't think.
Ooh.
If you want to make gluten-free Play-Doh,
If you want to make gluten-free Play-Doh,
make this way worse.
these are really fun to make, and you can make them with your friends, like we're doing, or your kids, whoever you work well in the kitchen with.
Very fun activity.
This is also so easy to do on a weekend when you just like you want to like spend time at home,
So true.
Make a breakfast recipe, spend time together. It's chill and it's so wow, yours is beautiful. Go with that. Do you want to show everybody? Ah, cute.
Our bagels.
Our bagels are so cute. Look at that. Gorgeous.
So excited.
Okay. My hands are covered in flour. You're clean. Okay, so we have some egg wash. So if you want to show everybody, we're going to just coat them in a little egg wash and then add our seasonings. After that, we're going to pop them in the oven. I believe 325? 325.
Oh, 375.
Okay, so 375 for 25 to 28 minutes until they're looking a little golden on top, until they're cooked through, until they're beautiful and gorgeous and crispy and flaky
And delicious.
and delicious. All right, sweet. So we have our bagels with the egg wash, and now we're gonna add our toppings.
Yay.
So I'll do the everything and do the sesame.
lovely.
We also had a request for a jalapeno cheddar. We don't unfortunately have the ingredients, but that would be delicious.
That does sound really good.
But you can really just like make it whatever flavor you like.
So fun.
I'm gonna load it up. I'm gonna load mine up.
Oh, same. We love sesame.
We do. These are so cute. Perfect.
I do love them.
That was really simple to make. And it did
So
not take much
easy.
time.
And fun.
Yeah. Okay, sweet. Here we are. So we're gonna pop them in the oven, 375, 25 to 28 minutes, or until they are golden and crispy. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we opened it up. It still looks a little bit wet. We did throw it back in the oven for a few more minutes. It's still not our desired texture. This is what happens when you find a recipe on Instagram or TikTok and you're like, oh, I have to try this, and it doesn't meet your expectations. But that's okay because we're just gonna try it out. And that's the part about being gluten-free, is that sometimes it's just trial and error. So we're going to actually cut these open, throw them in the toaster to get the inside nice and crispy, and then we're gonna do our taste test.
Yes.
So we'll be back. Okay, we're back from the toaster. They're looking gorgeous.
Yes, they
looking
are.
better. More promising. We're gonna add a little bit of cream cheese or whatever your heart desires, and we're gonna give this a try. This is my toasted one. My other one kind of. All right. You wanna go first? Do you wanna do the honors?
Sure. Thank you.
So I feel like if we made them maybe a little bit thinner, the oven would have worked out probably better with the timing that the recipe said. So we're taking our accountability, but the toasting I think is kind of essential if you want a nice crispy
For sure.
top. ASMR. Sweet.
There you go.
All right. Okay. Okay, and there you have it. We have our nice toasted bagels, gluten-free, 3 plus a couple ingredients. All right.
Mine are still steaming.
Okay, I'm gonna go for mine.
Okay.
Mmm.
Good.
Still not. Mine just didn't get all the way crispy, but still a little bit wet in the middle for me. A little wet. So I'm gonna retry the recipe. Probably make them a little thinner. But that'll be my recommendation.
I'll try mine.
The taste is not bad.
Mm-hmm.
The taste is not bad, and they're definitely cooked on the bottom and the top. So
It's a bit mushy on the inside, but
So,
other
yeah.
than that,
So if you need a quick bagel recipe, we could probably make it work.
for
But
sure.
overall, not my favorite thing we've ever made on Facebook Friday.
True.
Was it a flop? That's up for you to decide.
Not necessarily.
It could, yeah, we'll be better for next time. We'll know better for next time.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, it was interesting. It'll be a little experiment. Try this at home. Let us know how it works out for you.
Yes.
Let us know how long you cooked yours for.
Yes.
And this is what brings us in the gluten-free community together. We will really try anything just to get close to a normal, regular gluten bagel. So we're on our mission to finding recipes that work,
Yes.
which is okay. All right, well, if you want to try the 5-ingredient flatbread, I can vouch that one definitely does work. So head to glutenfreemore.com and check that one out. If you want us to make it next week, let us know in the comments. But But yeah, that's it for this Friday. Bye.